Welcome back, guys, to Stauffer Garage. Today we have a Rav4 that is kid trash on the inside. We're going to do the wash on the outside. We're going to clean the inside. We're going to get all the kid goo and all the kid trash out of this thing and make it look like new. So if you guys are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's start tearing this thing apart and getting it cleaned up.
Now we're pulling out the front seats in this thing, but we're also going to pull out the rear bench. With this being a kid trash vehicle, food is definitely going to get underneath those spots. And in this vehicle in particular, as you guys saw in the very beginning of it, we have some rodents that have left quite a few nuggets throughout the vehicle. So definitely make sure we're going to get all that removed, along with the dog hair, food, toys, trash, you name it. This thing needs a deep clean, which we're going to get to here in a second. And here we go. This is what I was talking about. This is a large pile of mouse crap, and it was scattered throughout. Any little black nugget you see, that's all mice crap. It's literally everywhere underneath this rear bench. I did not find it anywhere else, which was a good thing, but certain cars have easier spots for them to get in from the rear vents than others. Whether a window is left open, you know, there's multiple reasons why, but it looked like they kind of just came in, ate, and left. I didn't find any nests or anything like that, but hopefully that's the case. Now, if you guys are interested in any of the products I use within my videos to clean up these cars, I have it all listed down below for you guys, whether it's from Fox Clean or on Amazon. You guys can go check those out, pick up those products. I haven't changed the products I use for probably over 2 years. I literally have stuck with the same stuff over again because it works. So if you guys want to try stuff that's been tested on every video on this channel, which you guys have seen the nastiest stuff imaginable, use those links down below. It'll give you guys good products that I definitely swear by and I use in all these videos. So I recently discovered what Temu was. Little skeptical on quality at first, but I am definitely converted now because a lot of the stuff I picked up are staples that all of you should probably have in your car or garage. So first time Temu app users, don't forget to get your free item through the link in the description box below. And all Temu users get a $100 coupon bundle to save more money. Just search the code DKM2573 in the Temu app or click the link in the description box. Extremely useful stuff. Let me show you real quick. First thing I want to talk about, rubber gloves. I go through a ton. Big box stores charge a ton for these. These are exact same quality and a fraction of the price. A panel popper so I don't break clips on plastic panels, remove an interior. A new phone mount. This one's is magnetic, which is great. This is one of those steps that go on your door hinge, so you can step and get onto your roof super easily. And it comes with a little, window breaker. Electronic tire pressure gauge. A new knife that is super heavy and bulky, so you can use it as a hammer. And it comes with a flint stick, which is nice to have in your car too, just in case you need to start a fire. New torch flashlight, which is super, super bright LED and rechargeable. A new headlamp for when you're detailing in the dark, or if you're out, foraging for mushrooms or whatever you're going after. All of this stuff, 150 bucks. Definitely check out the link in the description box. Thumbs up to Temu. So I have a huge announcement. I just released my YouTube Masterclass course, which is for anyone that wants to start a YouTube channel. It allows you to skip all of the mistakes that I made the first 8 years on social media. I've compiled all those tips into just one video course that you guys can check out. I have a link down below. Definitely pick it up. Start 2024 off with a new revenue, new source of income to grow a YouTube channel. Like I said, links down below. Now, if you have the opportunity to have an air compressor and compressed air when you clean your car, definitely get one. It helps with blowing out all that extra APC or any extra water or liquid that you use, whatever cleaning product you use on your dashboard or panels. But for me, a compressor is definitely clutch with making sure I get these cars completely clean. All right, so to start things off on the outside, we're just gonna take the pressure washer, rinse any dirt, mud, anything on the outside of the vehicle that can be rinsed off very easily before we get to the wash mitt phase. Now for me, when it comes to cleaning wheels and tires, it's probably the most dramatic cleaning process, if you will, for me on the exterior of the vehicle. So I enjoy it the most, being super meticulous to make sure you scrub the entire tread, get into all those wheels and spokes. And with this being hubcaps, you can't really clean the inside of the rim, but then cleaning inside the wheel wells, cleaning the shock on the inside, cleaning the control arms, kind of just the whole area there is usually not completely clean on most vehicles and left untouched. But for me, it's one of my most favorite parts because there's a ton of dirt and grease and grime that gets stuck in there, and it's just a lot of fun to see the before and after. Now for all those tiny nooks and crannies, all those door seams, the technical grills that are in a lot of modern cars nowadays, detailing brushes come in handy, save a ton of time, and help you with all those little nook and cranny spots instead of trying to wiggle your sponge or whatever your wash mitt that you use to clean the outside of the car in those different nooks and crannies. Now with the car completely rinsed off and clean, we're going to be using our drying towel to dry the outside of the vehicle, make sure all that water is removed, and then we're going to jump right into the inside of the vehicle.